Hi everyone, I'm Janet of Country Living, and I'm going to make some blueberry pie filling today. I've never did this before, so it's going to be a first for me. You start out with 12 cups of blueberries, which is what I've got here in the pot. And then you combine 3 cups of sugar and 3/4 of a cup of cornstarch, and you stir that into your blueberries. And you let it sit for about 30 minutes until the juice begins to flow. Now, that's what I'm going to do right now. Okay, I've combined the sugar and the cornstarch. And now I'm going to put it in the blueberry mixture. Stir it all in a little bit. I had a lot of blueberries this year, so I'm trying to figure out what to do with them all. Besides just freezing them, which I have froze quite a bit. I made some jelly, and blueberry jelly, and I made chocolate-covered blueberries, which are very good, but that doesn't use up very many blueberries. This uses quite a bit. Now you get this all stirred up good, and you're supposed to let it sit for about 30 minutes. So, that's what we're going to do. Okay, it's set long enough now, to 30 minutes. And now you add a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. And put it on medium heat, stir it up. You cook it until the mixture begins to thicken, and then you put it in your freezer containers and let it cool, before you put it in the freezer. I hope this turns out good. Blueberry pie is delicious. And it's better than buying it when you can use your own blueberries. Do any of you all have blueberry bushes? We've had ours for a long time, and they're really big and tall. I can't even reach the top of them. Now, we do put netting over them in the summertime, because those mockingbirds, they just love these blueberries. Okay, I've been stirring it for a little while, and it's starting to get thick now. And when that happens, you put it in your containers, let it cool, and then put it in the freezer. Yep, looks pretty good. Let me hold my book here. And I think this is just about right. It's gotten thick. Let's turn it off. And take it over here off of the heat. This will be good. Now, take your dipper and put it in these containers. And don't put the lid on it yet. This is still pretty hot. So you see what I'm doing here? And it's supposed to make 5 pints, I think. So you can get 5 pies out of this. So, hope some of you give it a try. It'll be good, I'm sure. Blueberry pie filling. Okay, fast forward this video a month and a half. I took out one of the containers of the blueberry pie filling, thawed it out in the refrigerator, and made a pie with it. Now you can eat it with just Cool Whip on it if you want, or a thing of ice cream. But I thought I'd put a crumb topping on top of it. I put a crumb topping on top of it, stuck it in the oven at 400 for about 20 minutes, and this is what it is. So we're going to have it today after dinner for dessert.